Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So somebody asked me on a previous video, where can they get a free forex robot? Is it possible to get free trading robots? If you go online, you have many people who are selling forex robots. You can see here I'm on the MetaTrader website. It's mql5.com, mql5.com. So you can see there are many people selling their robots here. You can click on whatever robot that you find, and you can try and get an idea whether it's a good robot or it's not. There are also many indicators. You can actually read reviews. And if you decide it's a good robot to try, then you can buy the robot. Look at this robot, it's going on for 600 US dollars. Like, wow, 600 US dollars, that's a lot of money. Look at this, 1349 USD, 1500 USD. These are the people that are selling their own forex robot. Look at this one, 2.4 USD. So again, you can buy all these robots from here. And is there a way of getting robots for free? So yeah, there are many ways of getting robots for free, but I'm going to in this video show you the easiest one. On this channel, I've shown you how to create your own robots, and you don't need any skill to do that. You don't need to be a coder, you don't need to be a programmer. What you just need is a good trading strategy. So watch the videos on this channel if you're also keen on wanting to come up with your own trading robot. But if you really want to download other people's robots and you don't have these kinds of monies that people are selling their robots for, you can still get forex robots for free. How do you do that? You need to be on the mql5.com website. If you go to that site, you should be on that site, and if you come, this will be the home page. Now from here, where do you go to find free forex robots and free indicators without paying anybody? What you're going to go to do is you're going to come to this section here that says code base. If you click on there, by the way, if you also want to download free indicators, free forex robots, see the links in the description box below. So this is one other free way in addition to the links in the description box below. So now you come to this code base section. Here is where people are posting their own forex codes, indicators, scripts, robots, and things like that. So again, you going to use these things at your own risk. What you want to do is get these things, test them out before you give them your actual trading capital. So for example, here there is an EA. Let's just click there. So you see this person has provided the code for their robot, and you can download it as a zip folder, or you can just click here and download that forex robot. You can see the ratings there. You can also go down here and you see what some people are saying about the robots and things like that. The important thing is you want to be signed in. You want to be inside in mql5.com. You cannot download these things without signing in. You used to be able to back in the day, but now you can't. So you need to, it's a free account. It's a free account, by the way. It's a free account. You don't need to pay anybody. You can just sign in your mql5.com account. It's a free account. Then you come to Codebase and you start going through. This is MetaTrader 5. This is MetaTrader 4 section. So MetaTrader 5 section, you can simply click on experts and it will list all the forex robots that people have been posting here. Now look, they've got about 36 pages so far for MetaTrader 5, and it's pages like this where people have been posting tons and tons of their robots. Then you can try and find one that does whatever you want. For example, this is what trailing stop tutorial. This is some lessons. There's a lot that you can do here. There's also indicators. If you're looking for indicators for your MetaTrader 5, you can download a free indicators here. For example, this is what does. So you just come here, you click and download, and you have this indicator. If you are still using MetaTrader 4, you just come to MetaTrader 4. You can again filter by experts, and it's probably going to have tons and tons more because MetaTrader 4 was the platform, but now I think MetaCodes will probably start phasing out MetaTrader 4. So I now rarely come back to MetaTrader 4. I now mostly spend my time on MetaTrader 5. Then there are things like libraries, scripts, indicators again. So there is a lot that you can download from here for free. So yeah, that question somebody asked me, is there a way to get a free forex robots? Yes, you can get free forex robots from mql5.com. You just need to create a free account, or you can log in via your MetaTrader 5 account or MetaTrader 4 account. It will bring you here, and then you can download whatever you want, whatever you need to use with your MetaTrader. So that's one free way of doing that. So yeah, I hope this video helps you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it